Hi everyone. I'm here to talk about the terrifying art of making friends when you're shy or you're an introvert. And yes, it's an art. Because for us introverts, approaching someone new feels like preparing for a battle. Instead, except for armor, we have awkward smiles and overly rehearsed highs. Now, if you're an extrovert, you're probably thinking, just go talk to people. And we introverts are like, wow, thank you. That never occurred to me. Groundbreaking advice. Well, number one, accept your awkwardness. It's your superpower. First, let's embrace the awkward. Everyone's a little weird, but shy people, we're professionally awkward. And that's okay. Being shy is like being a limited edition, rare and mysterious. People are intrigued by mystery, so own it. And remember, most people are too busy thinking about their own awkwardness to even notice yours. So, if you say something weird, just laugh and say, sorry, my brain's buffering. Boom, instant charm. Two, the magic of observing first. Introverts, we have a secret weapon, observation. We can read the room like pros. So use that. Find people who seem kind, easygoing, or are also standing awkwardly by the snack table. They're your people. Then start with simple comments. It doesn't have to be groundbreaking. Something like, these cookies are the only reason I came here. Or, I'm just here for the snacks and emotional growth. If they laugh, bam, potential friend. If not, just grab another cookie and slowly back away. Classic introvert move. Number three, ask questions and actually listen. Shy people often feel like they have to be interesting. No, you just have to be interested. Asking questions is gold. People love talking about themselves. So try this. What do you do for fun? Or what's a show that you could watch on repeat? Or my personal favorite, what's the most awkward moment you've ever survived? And then listen, but really listen. Because when people feel heard, they feel connected. Plus, you don't have to do as much talking, so it's a win win. Number four, master the art of the introvert exit. Now, let's talk about escaping. I mean, exiting gracefully. Because every introvert knows that social energy is like your battery phone, it drains fast. So, if you feel yourself fading, it's okay to say, it's been awesome chatting, but I need to recharge my social battery. Trust me, most people will understand, or at least they pretend to. And if you accidentally ghost someone mid conversation because you panic, don't worry. Just follow up later with, sorry, I had a spontaneous introvert moment. Honesty is very relatable. Well, then that brings us to number five, embrace small circles first. Big groups can be overwhelming, so start small. One to one conversations or tiny group settings are perfect. It's like leveling up in a video game. You don't have to fight the dragon first, you start by fighting tiny goblins. So, your first goblin is just saying hi to someone in line. Your second level, ask about their day. Before you know it, you'll be the shy person who low key collects friends like rare Pokemon. That was number five. And now, number six. Remember, you are enough. The biggest secret, you don't have to be the funniest or the loudest or the most outgoing person in the room to make friends. You just have to be you. There are people out there who claim to love the calmness, thoughtful, deep conversations. People who prefer cozy hangouts to wild parties. People who also don't know what to do with their hands while talking. I think I'm quite guilty of that. So be authentic, be you, because being real is magnetic, and the right people will find you and stick. Closing remarks. So, to all the shy and introverted souls, go out there, smile, because making friends isn't about being the life of the party. It's about finding the people who appreciate your quiet, weird, but beautiful energy. And if all else fails, just carry snacks. Snacks make friends faster than personality ever could. So good luck out there, fellow introverts. Go be awkward and proud. And I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.